Today we are going to learn how we can mine the cryptocurrency using the Kryptex. So yesterday we seen that how the Kryptex work, and also we seen that how it's work. So today we are going to mine the real cryptocurrency using the Kryptex. So this video is specifically for the PC or the laptop user only. So here, go to the Kryptex miner, then download the Kryptex miner. Only this is only for the Windows user. If you are using the Linux or Ubuntu or any other operating system, then you can select according to that. So right now we are doing for the Windows. So here, download Kryptex miner. So here it's saying which like I'm installing this to the desktop. So let me save it. So our downloading is started and it's already done. So before doing that, you need to create your account on the Kryptex to see the dashboard of the miner. You can also see the dashboard on your phone, or if you have any other version such as iOS or Android, so you can still see the dashboard of the Kryptex on your mobile. Just to see the dashboard, you can't mind that, but you can see. So let's first of all we need to downloading, and we need to unzip the file. Right now it setup it down. We are installing the Kryptex setup, so let it be complete. So it's downloading, and maybe it's done it. Here you can see the Kryptex setup and the Kryptex. It's showing some error. Yeah, I need to say that before why this error occurred, because you need to turn off your antivirus. Where is here privacy and security? Go to your privacy for the window user. Go to privacy and security, then Windows security, then virus and threat protection, and then here manage setting, and then turn off the all the antivirus that you are seeing. Turn off it just for the temporary. Later you can turn on this showing the antivirus, because this Kryptex setup will 100 percentage use. Oh, sorry, here this Kryptex setup will 100 percentage use your graphic card, or if you have GPU, then it will 100 percentage use that hardware 100 percentage. So that's why it will say that it is antivirus, or maybe it's some containing some virus that can harm the device. So that's why it's alerting, but in real it is like not damaging, or it is not a virus. It will just use the 100 percentage of our PC or a laptop. So that's why I highly recommend you, if you have some old laptop or old PC that you are not using that much, then you can mine the crypto on that PC or desktop. I highly suggested only for that purposes. Otherwise don't mine on your regular working PC or just like that. So for instance, let's create a new account, so you can understand whole the process. So right now I don't know which email it is. So right now let's say I am use this fake account. It's an fake email. Oh, so, and then password. Oh, sorry. Here. I don't know why it is showing. Maybe it's maybe like it's an error of the this system. So maybe I need to write manual. So accept the term and condition and then do register. Oh, it will take some time. So here we after registering you can see this is the our desktop. You can see this same desktop on the your lap, sorry, on your mobile or on that. So here connect the hardware and like which coin you want to mine. So here let's see, we need to mine Bitcoin. Let's say we are mining the Bitcoin. So here enter the miner name whatever you want, such as I want to give this holding this is the pool address and this is the miner username. Then here let's go Kryptex miner, we have in this. So let's say, wait a minute, we need to like here here we need to log in our email. So let login email and let me write the password. I don't know why this error showing. With this everything is okay. Wait a minute, I like I need to go to the my Firefox and here download Graptex miner mirror 1 and mirror 2. Let's install it. Oh, so this whole setup is like same. Maybe right now we are doing this balancing hardware. I think I need to connect the hardware first, but it is not connecting because of let me maybe dashboard is not, maybe I need to like profile. Where is my profile? Here, yeah, here is my profile. So here is my profile, my security code, mining username. So like maybe it is asking for that. It is my email and my security code. Where is my security code? Here my security code, and let's go to the Kryptex and write my security code and let me sign up. Maybe it's showing some error and I don't know why. Oh, I need to verify it first. So let me save it. I don't know why it is showing error. Everything look perfect. Let me, I think I need to make a new account. Let's make a new account. It's I already made it the account. I am using it. Let's do continue. So here you can see my I connected this. So where is my, oh, I need to first copy my private key. Here my security code. Then you can like enter it again. Oh, I need to check at gmail gmail.cpm. Okay, dot cpm, and password is, oh, so here my account is running, and here you can, my account is connected, and let's do the mining status. So for instance, I want to mine Bitcoin. So once you do this, you are connected to the Kryptex pool directly by doing this. Enter pool address, enter the miner username, enter in Kryptex, install Krypton, and so this is the all same the thing that you are doing here in the Kryptex. So you can see here our Kryptex is mining the Jeb coin right now, doing using the XMR. But since we changed our change it to the Bitcoin, so that's why soon it will change it to the Bitcoin BTC, and we can mine the Bitcoin on the laptop. So here we change it our change it to Bitcoin. So it will take some time to do it, and here you can see how much we can earn per month. So it will first stop working, and it will again start, and it will mine the Bitcoin automatically. Right now we are mining the Jep coin, and after some time it will transfer it to the Bitcoin, and we will mine the Bitcoin. So I hope you like this video. See you in the next.